Assalamu alaikum, my followers and colleagues. In this video I will explain to you how to use the Bloomberg air conditioner remote control. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner, and with itself we can turn the air conditioner on and off. We use the mode button to change the modes of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes: cooling, drying, fan, heating, and auto. Most people use the air conditioner for cooling purposes. For this reason, we start by explaining this mode. We press the mode button, and when a snowflake appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In this mode, we set the temperature of the air conditioner to 22-24 degrees Celsius. If you want to save electricity, set the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius. Setting the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius is not recommended, as it can cause us to get sick. We use the fan speed button to change the fan speed of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. If the fan noise in the bedroom bother you, you can choose a low speed. As the fan speed increases, the cooling power of the air conditioner also increases. We press the mode button again, and we see that the water drop symbol on the screen. This is drying mode of the air conditioner and is intended to reduce the humidity in the house. We press the mode button again, and the fan symbol appears on the screen. In this mode, the air conditioner works like a regular fan. We switch to heating mode by pressing the mode button. A sun symbol appears on the screen. In heating mode, setting the air conditioner fan speed to auto fan speed mode makes the air conditioner work more efficiently, because in this case, the fan speed will be regulated by the microprocessor. The outdoor unit of the air conditioner will be covered with snow only when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. For setting the air conditioner to auto fan speed mode, we press the fan speed button several times, and when this symbol appears on the screen, the air conditioner is in auto fan speed mode. In addition, we note that in heating mode, the air conditioner will reach its nominal power within 20-40 minutes, depending on the air temperature. We press the mode button again and switch to auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner tries to maintain the temperature around 24 degrees Celsius. If the temperature in the room drops below this indicator, the air conditioner will operate in heating mode, and if it is rise above it, it will operate in cooling mode. We return to cooling mode by pressing the mode button. Now we will explain the other modes. Sometimes air conditioner user sets the temperature in cooling mode below 22 degrees Celsius. Please note that such situation cause colds. However, air conditioner manufacturers recommended using the sleep button to prevent this. What is this button for? For example, let's say we set the air conditioner temperature to 21 degrees Celsius and press the sleep button. When this button is pressed, a crescent moon and a star appear on the screen. In sleep mode, the air conditioner will raise the temperature by 1 degree after 2 hours and raise it again by 1 degree Celsius after a few hours. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again. The manual button is used to stop the air conditioner's blinds in any position. When the swing button is pressed, the blinds move continuously up and down. To stop the movement, you need to press the same button again. As with other air conditioners, there are 2 timer modes here. Timer on is used to turn the air conditioner on and at any time, and timer off is used to turn it off. For example, When we want the air conditioner to turn off after 7 hours, while we lie down in bed, we press the timer off button, set it to 7 hours and confirm by pressing the set button. Our air conditioner will turn off after 7 hours. To exit this mode, we press the same button and then cancel this mode with the cancel button. Or we leave the house at 8 in the morning and return home at PM 8. In this case, our air conditioner needs to be turned on after 11 hours so that it cools our house until we get home. We turn off the air conditioner, press the timer on button and set it to 11 hours. And we press the set button to confirm. Our air conditioner will turn on in 11 hours and will cool our house until we get home. To exit this mode, press the same button and cancel with the cancel button. Thank you for following us until the end.